Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. This time comparing the Nikon Keymission 170 with the GoPro Hero 6. At its original price, €400, I thought the Nikon was not worth it. Right now you can buy it for around 200 and therefore you should at least consider it in your list of candidates if you are looking for a budget action camera. Watching the images side by side, you cannot say that the stabilization on the Nikon is on the same level as the one on the GoPro. Also, the only field of view of 170 degrees is not my favorite. I would have wished for some alternative settings here. Nevertheless, the image quality is very respectable, and for €200 you are getting enough camera for your buck. Keep in mind that the Nikon is capable of 4K video also.